The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is one of the most anticipated drone releases of 2025, and today we've got major leaks to discuss. A new image circulating on social media appears to show the final design of the Mavic 4 Pro. And if that wasn't enough, leaked information has confirmed the official release date, key specifications, and even pricing details. Let's have a detailed look. According to reliable sources within the industry, the highly anticipated DJI Mavic 4 Pro is set to officially launch on April 24, 2025. This launch date has been corroborated by multiple credible insiders, including well-known leakers with a track record of accurate information. As we approach the launch, an official teaser for the Mavic 4 Pro is expected to be unveiled on April 17, 2025. This teaser is likely to offer an exciting glimpse into the advanced features and cutting-edge technology that this new drone will bring to the market, building anticipation for its grand reveal just a week later. Leaks surrounding the DJI Mavic 4 have been circulating for months, but the latest information finally provides concrete details on its specifications and features. The Mavic 4 Pro is expected to come equipped with a triple camera system featuring focal lengths of 28, 70, and 168 millimeters, offering a versatile range from wide angle to telephoto zoom. One of the standout upgrades is its larger sensor, which enhances low light performance and overall image quality, allowing for 6K video recording. Another major improvement is the 360-degree multi-directional gimbal, which provides greater flexibility and stability while filming. The introduction of an electronic ND filter system eliminates the need for traditional physical filters, allowing for seamless exposure adjustments. In terms of flight performance, the Mavic 4 Pro boasts an impressive 52-minute flight time, making it the longest-lasting Mavic drone yet. Additionally, its new 240-watt charger significantly reduces downtime, charging 3 intelligent flight batteries in just 90 minutes. DJI is also unveiling the DJI RC Pro 2 controller, which features a 7-inch tilting touchscreen for an improved user experience. With these upgrades, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be a game-changer in the drone industry. Recent leaks from DJI's production line indicate that the Mavic 4 Pro is in its final quality control testing phase. A black and white image shared by leakers shows multiple Mavic 4 Pro units undergoing inspection alongside the new RC2 controller. This aligns with earlier reports that the drone has passed FCC certification, suggesting an official launch is imminent. Early prototypes of the Mavic 4 Pro were spotted as far back as December 2024, indicating that DJI has been refining the design for several months to avoid the software issues that affected the Mavic 3 at launch. Despite ongoing rumors, the Mavic 4 Pro is confirmed to be in final production stages, with images leaked by Ellens showing units being assembled and likely undergoing quality control testing before being shipped to DJI's promotional teams. It's important to note that the Mavic 4 Pro first appeared in the FCC database back in December 2024. While many anticipated an early January launch, DJI seems to have delayed the release to ensure a fully refined product, likely influenced by the lessons learned from the Mavic 3, which faced criticism for missing key features at launch. With just a couple of weeks until launch, anticipation for the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is at an all-time high. However, potential buyers in the United States are already concerned about potential import tariffs and availability. While Europe is expected to receive units shortly after launch, availability in other markets remains uncertain. One of the more interesting aspects of this leak is the involvement of a social media content creator who has begun sharing exclusive insights about the Mavic 4 Pro. While some of his claims about the drone's specifications seem exaggerated, such as a medium-format Hasselblad camera and full-frame telephoto lenses, his price leaks appear to be more credible. Considering tariffs and other costs, the final price is likely to be closer to $2,500. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is expected to launch in multiple configurations, catering to a range of user needs. Pricing details have surfaced, giving potential buyers a clearer idea of what to expect. The base model, which includes the DJI RC2 controller, is expected at $2,250, while the Fly More combo, also with the DJI RC2 controller, is priced at $3,200. For those looking for the most comprehensive package, the 512GB Creator Combo, featuring the more advanced DJI RC Pro 2 controller, will cost $4,400. These prices indicate that the Mavic 4 Pro will be slightly more expensive than its predecessor, likely due to advancements in drone technology, increased production costs, and added tariffs in certain regions, which may cause slight variations in final retail prices across different markets. With an April 24th launch date now looking solid, DJI enthusiasts won't have to wait much longer to get their hands on the Mavic 4 Pro. However, one burning question remains: will the Mavic 4 Pro launch before the standard Mavic 4? According to sources, it seems likely that DJI will release the Pro version first, with the standard model following later in the year. One of the most exciting rumoured upgrades is the 95 watt-hour battery, which could make the Mavic 4 Pro the longest-lasting consumer drone DJI has ever produced. Additionally, the vertical shooting modes from the Mini 4 Pro and Air 3 are expected to make their way into the Mavic 4 Pro, allowing for seamless content creation optimized for social media. With just a few weeks left until DJI officially unveils the Mavic 4 Pro, excitement continues to build. The combination of a triple camera system, 6K video recording, a 52-minute flight time, and an advanced gimbal makes this drone an enticing upgrade for professionals and enthusiasts alike. While the final retail price remains speculative, the leaks suggest that the Mavic 4 Pro will be more expensive than the Mavic 3 Pro. If you've been saving up for DJI's next big drone, it might be time to finalize your budget and get ready for pre-orders. Thank you for watching. What features are you hoping to see in the Mavic 4 Pro? Drop your thoughts in the comments section below.